magnetic bamboo box is ideal for storage. It includes Japanese trimming scissors and an essential guide to beards. However, the brush has stiff bristles. At number 9, the Comfy Mate Lion Beard is a premium selection that includes the Beard Bible, an ebook that teaches you how to grow and maintain a beard. The conditioning oil and wash are made with organic ingredients and essential oils, such as tea tree and aloe. It comes with medical-grade scissors and a solid mahogany comb, but the balm doesn't hold shape well. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Beard Reverence Premium is a complete set that has shampoo, oil and scissors, as well as a pearwood comb and boar bristle brush. It also includes a handy travel bag that's lightweight with an easy grip handle and a strong zippered closure. It's made with quality essential oils and comes in a magnetically sealed gift box. However, the bristles may fall out over time. At number 7, the Bear's Beard Grooming contains a natural oil for cleaning, moisturizing and strengthening your beard down to the roots. The smoothing ointment is made with cedar and eucalyptus, while the conditioner is formulated from jojoba pulp and other organic ingredients. It includes a sandalwood comb and is lightly scented, but it doesn't come with a brush. Moving up our list to number 6. The Bulldog Skincare Ultimate includes a variety of products that are made for everyday use and are gentle on delicate facial skin. It also contains an award-winning moisturizer that nourishes your face and beard with a careful combination of ingredients. It features a conditioning shampoo and contains no artificial fragrances. It's certified cruelty-free. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Zekrek Premium Bag is an affordable option for the beard lover on a budget. It comes with all natural products such as the oil and butter balm, both formulated to nourish your skin. It also has a straightener tool to help you maintain an ideal shape. It boasts fun bauble ornaments, a how to grow a beard ebook and a gift bag. At number 4, the Scene Wears 10-in-1 set has a double-sided comb made from solid wood and with fine teeth to prevent snagging and pulling your hair. The organic oil promotes active growth to help you meet and exceed all of your facial fur goals. It's made with a sturdy bamboo handle and no harsh chemicals. It includes trimming tools. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Comfy Mate Isna Mile comes with organic unscented oil and balm to help smooth and tame the coarsest hair, giving you much needed hydration to keep a beard soft and silky. The included brush distributes natural oils during styling. It includes an all-natural shampoo, a waterproof beard guard, and a shaping template tool. At number 2, the FULLLIGHT Tech Set includes more than just a comb and a brush. It also has shampoo, which is not found in all sets, to wash your facial hair twice a week to keep it shiny and healthy. The handy shaping tool makes it easy to style your beard to perfection. It's equipped with stainless steel scissors, a moisturizing ointment, and a solid wooden comb. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Viking Revolution Box is an affordable value option that comes with everything your beard needs. The wooden brush has boar hair bristles to smooth even the scratchiest of beards, and the double-sided comb will get out all of the tangles. It includes unscented oil, citrus styling balm, and a metal storage box.